You guys get to say hi. Oh man, that's sweet.
Rudy Inlet, Virginia Beach, Virginia, Labor Day weekend. This is my first time fishing Virginia Beach. We're gonna try to get on some sheep's head, maybe some drum. This wind is blowing pretty decent right now. Hopefully we can make our way out closer to the ocean. See if we can get on anything good. But this wind is not friendly right now. Got a couple guys out here with me. A man in the outdoor and his nephew. We're gonna see what we can get on. Stay tuned. Let's go. What we got here? Oh, flounder. Yeah. Too small though. Gotta be 16.5 inches. Look at that flounder. Got him on the gulp. First Virginia flounder. Let's see, where's my... Alright y'all, first Virginia flounder. I'm gonna take him off and let him go. It's low tide now and there's a lot of hermit crabs. Yeah, they're running everywhere. There's some right here. Don't go back in that hole. I got one here. That's what we use for sheephead. It's a good one. Look at the claws on them things. Just parked my kayak. Get some sheep head. Alright, I think I've made it close to the inlet. I'm over here at this bridge. I'm gonna go over here to this pilings and see if there's any sheephead hanging around. I got a couple fiddler crabs that I caught earlier. We're gonna give it a go. Hopefully there's a couple something in here. Here, see. I'm not sure how deep it is right here. It was pretty deep. On the bottom now. I think that's many. Hey!
Where you at, bro?
I've been calling you the whole time. I'm over here at the bridge.
You went paddled all the way up to the bridge?
Yeah, I just got here. I got a fiddler crab on. Try and see if there's gonna be a bite. So, are you coming out here? Hey, you gonna come down here?
Yeah, I'm coming up there. I'm coming to Ribbon.
All right.
Alright,
Bye. There you go. I think he took it again. Still got my bait that time. Might just be little something other than the sheep's head. There you got him. Yeah, told you. Little toadfish. Toadfish. Ugly little thing. And then peed on me. We don't want you. Guess it wasn't a sheep's head. Let's come back over here.